We are going to learn possibility and certainty in the present and future. The context is assumption. Must. Two friends talking. What are they talking? Here we go. The first student. We must play football with him. He seems to be fit. Next student. We can't beat him. It may not be possible. Look at him. He is fit. These two friends think he must play football very well. So they think it is possible and they are certain. What do you think? Maybe. Must is used to say something certain or very probable. In this case, we think he must play football very well because he seems to be fit. Keep in mind not to use mustn't in this context. Coming up, may, might, could. Another friend. He says, we will invite him for today's match. But let me tell you, he may play well. He might play well. He could play well. But I don't know. I'm not sure. He is a new student. I haven't seen him. Let's see. May or might or could to mean it is possible. Coming up, football match. May not and might not. Our friend, he says something. Let's start the football match. Ooh, look at the student, the new student. He doesn't know the rules. He may not know about football. Oh, he plays football differently. He might not know about football. May not and might not to mean it is possible but not sure. Here, don't use could not. May, might, or could. We have all the three students. They finished the football match. We have the new students. They ask, do you play football? Yes, American football. Oh, you can't play football. Well, we could teach football to you. Yeah, you may play football after we teach you. Maybe. You might play well because you're fit. May, might, or could to talk about something that will possibly happen in the future. Negative is might not and may not. Don't use could not. Difference: will, won't, may, might not. The new student. What do you think about the new student? Let's see. Friends are going to teach me. I will play football well soon. He's sure. I'm learning slowly. I may play football well. He's not sure. I won't play tomorrow's match. He's sure he won't play. I might not play tomorrow's match. He's not sure. It is possible he may play, but not sure. Have you ever assumed about something? Leave your answer in the comment section. Subscribe and press the bell button for notification. You can like or dislike. Please put your comments and share it if you like it. Thank you very much.